歌ちゃんの手元を見ててください。歌ちゃんの手元を見てください。
Cats have always been one of the most popular and common pets in the world. What if you could summon a cat on demand? Better off, that helps you steal whatever that's in your hand. The Burglar. Just pause for effect. Introducing Cat Burglar by Davio Wu.
I'll be blowing up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it.
你仔细看它，你呼唤它一下。
喵喵。咦，妈妈手手，为什么会有萌萌的手手？
嘘，瞬间出现，可以检查一下。
为什么他的手手在哪里？
Davio is a famous YouTube magician from Taiwan. Many of his videos go viral across the internet. One of the videos, where he made a cat's paw appear out of thin air, had caused everyone to just freak out. We want to bring this effect to another level. So this time, we teamed up with Davio. First, the gimmick itself looks like a real cat's paw in every aspect. 2 colors available, orange and gray. Second, the package comes with a gold coin. It draws everyone's attention instantly, including the burglars.
是在下面，它直接瞬间出现。
吓我一跳！为什么？好酷哦！
At last, we will teach you all the details of this trick, so no one will find your little helper. If you are a cat lover, you will enjoy this little furry guy. This is the Cat Burglar.